Welcome back to Import to Cup channel where stock is always boring. My name is KBH. Today guys, I'm revisiting our past build. We've never featured the car. I've never posted anything. Right now, I have it with me. It's a 2022 Maserati MC20. I'll show you guys all the mods that I did to this car. Let's check it out. We've mostly done cosmetic mods to this car, and the highlight is this 7 design Aria kit. It's made in the USA, specifically in New York. We are the distributors of this product. 7 design made a numbered carbon fiber kit. This is 7 out of 25 in the world. It's very exclusive, very limited. I love how this car looks. Even if this is a past build, maybe I built this around 2022. So that means it's around three years already. I still find it super gorgeous, and everybody is looking at the car. The 7 design Aria kit consists of 7 parts. The first part is this front splitter. It made the car more aggressive, more angry, made out of carbon fiber. Then the second part is the front canards. The third part is this Trident design hood attachment, which I think made the car look more stunning. I love the design of this. The fourth is the carbon fiber side skirt. And the fifth is the carbon fiber roof scoop. This is not functional, but it looks really, really good. The sixth and the last part of the Aria kit consists of this carbon fiber ducktail spoiler. So aggressive and sleek looking design. And this rear diffuser. This whole thing, guys, is from 7 design, made out of carbon fiber. This car is stock. When it comes to engine power, it has a V6 engine producing 621 horsepower and 538 torque. It has a dual clutch system, 8-speed. Let you guys hear the V6 sound. We didn't do anything with the exhaust. It's actually pretty quiet for my standards. How I wish I convinced the owner to do some exhaust mods. Okay. Let's do it. One thing that I like and I can say about this car is it's a very, very quick car. I mean, 0 to 60 around 2.9 seconds. Super quick car. It accelerates fast. One more. Lastly, we've installed this AL13 forged monoblock wheels on this car. 21x9 and 21x12 at the rear with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S measuring 245/30 at the front and a 325/25 at the rear. Monoblock design, finish in satin black. Looks nice, very modern. I like the 10-spoke design on this car. Also, we've lowered the car via Novitec springs. It lowered the car around 1.2 inch, which made the stance more gorgeous. So this is it for today's episode. Comment in the comment section, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.